got the Terasako USB-C charging cables off of Amazon. There's their support information on the side of the box there. Nothing on the other side. We have some safety information on the back. Stay away from heat, keep dry, and use original wall chargers. Okay, let's open it up. Alright, in the box here we have our 4 cables with our different lengths. Then we have containers with different ends on there. So you have your micro USB, they're all sticking together because of the magnets. You have your Apple connector, there's our USB-C. Take the USB-C out of there. Same thing over here, we have some more connectors. Apple connector, USB-Cs, micro USB. We have a short cable there. We have our other cables over here. I'm going to use the medium-sized cable, take that out. It's a nylon coated cable. Alright, there's the magnet part there. There's the other end of the magnet. Oh, whoa, snaps right on. So plug that in. It starts charging for a second. And then loses its connection. Alright. Let's try the new cable. So I guess you can just shove this end piece in there. Keep it in there. Untie the twisty tie. That snaps right on there. However, the other end is not USB-C and my current charger is, so look out for that. I'll plug this into another charger and see how it works. So it lights up blue when it's charging. Seems to be staying connected, and then it does disconnect a little bit, moving it around, but when just keeping it settled, it keeps the connection, so it's better than what I had. Drops the connection a little bit as you move your phone around. So you have a loose connection at the bottom. It does not 100% fix it.
These cables might be useful if you're using different types of phones and need to change your connection, or if you have a new phone and you don't want to wear down your USB-C port or your Apple port. If your USB-C port's already worn out, then this isn't going to help you very much. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.